Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem where Snapchat shows the cannot add more Snapchatters issue. If you're facing this problem on your phone, just follow all the steps carefully. First of all, go to your settings. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection and that VPN is turned off. After checking that, go back to Snapchat, open your profile, and tap on the settings icon. Now, scroll down until you find Clear Cache. Tap on it, and then confirm by selecting Continue. Wait a few seconds while the cache clears. Once done, go back to your phone settings again. In the search bar, type Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat, then scroll down and select Storage. Here, tap on Clear Cache once again to make sure all temporary data is removed. After following all these steps properly, your issue should be fixed. That's it for this video! Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech-related tutorials. Thanks for watching.